Hi guys, it's Munene here from Film Graphics. Today I'm gonna teach you about how to fix the image that are disappearing when JetPack is activated. I think a lot of you have come across this problem. As soon as you install JetPack and activate it, some of the images you see, like this one, they will start to show this way and not show the real image of the product or any image. This can happen to any image that you upload on your WordPress website. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's just log into our dashboard. So you see JetPack is active. So you just go to JetPack, then you go to settings. When we are on settings, let's go to performance. Where is performance? Here it is. Then under performance, go to performance and speed. Do you see this option that says speed up image load times? You must just disable it. Then after you disable it, update the settings. So now let's go to our front end of the website. Let's refresh the page. Still loading. You see all our images are now showing. We no more having that problem of images that are not showing. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we post more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.